welcome back to my channel. Today is day I think 3. Today's day 3, no, 4. Today's day 4 of Operation Move Out. And today we're not painting today. As you can see, I don't have my paint clothes on. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I think I'm gonna clean out the refrigerator. And today I'm getting the carpets cleaned. But let me show you what the carpets look like. So I'm getting the stairs done. So these are the stairs. Let me get the hallway done too. This is bedroom 1. I have the spot over there. This is bedroom number 1. Right? I haven't painted up here yet, so that'll be what me and my brother and his girlfriend will come and do in the next couple weeks. This is bedroom number 2. This one's not bad for the most part. The only thing in this room is over here. So that's like my area of concern over here. And we got a couple of things, but that's the main thing over there. And then bedroom number 3 has like a couple spots, which is crazy to me. So like that spot, like I'm hoping that all of this comes up. So yeah, that's what needs to be cleaned today. And I'm hoping that they can actually get it cleaned. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for them to come. And in the meantime, I'll probably start trying to clean out this refrigerator and freezer, because yeah. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all when I start cleaning the fridge. Out on the side, they're over there in the sink, and I'm about to start washing those on both. I kind of already wiped down like this, so I just gotta rinse. But like, y'all, I'm sorry, but like some of this stuff, yeah. I have no words, because I feel like they didn't even try, and that's what pisses me off. Like, everything is so fucking sticky. y'all. I didn't have time to record because they came out of the blue. But my carpet looks so much better. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Look. Oh, look. So they couldn't get those two pink things out, but everything else in this room was 3 pink. That looks pretty good. And then here we have like that and that. But for the most part, everything else came out. So I love that. And then here, I believe it was like 3. So this one couldn't come out as much, but it's fine. And there was like one over there. But y'all, this carpet looks 10 times better. I paid a pretty penny for them too. So I used okay, y'all. So for service, I ended up using Stanley Steamer. And I ended up getting extra stuff. So let me sit down and talk to y'all. I'll put y'all down and tell y'all what I ended up getting. Actually, I'm gonna sit down over here. Take a mini break from cleaning. All right. Okay. So I ended up going with Stanley Steamer to get my carpets cleaned upstairs. And it was like, y'all, I'm not gonna talk about how much I spent, but I pretty much spent double what they quoted me for, but for good reason. So I ended up getting like a deep clean to the carpets, all of it, the stairs, the hallway, and all 3 rooms. And they put a protecting spray or something on the carpet as well, so something like what happened from the previous tenant won't happen again. So I'm happy about that. So the only thing that I think I'm going to do, like for the small spots, like I just gotta ask, like tenant wise, would I be wrong to move somebody in with those spots on there still? I'm gonna consult with my mom's best friend, because she's a landlord as well. So I'm gonna consult with her to see if what I have is like not good, or if I need to, like, I'm hoping I don't have to replace it because they're like small spots. But I forget, you could dye carpet. So I might go and see if I can get like a carpet dye and put it on there, just so I don't have to replace the carpet right now. I mean, the carpet was replaced when I moved in, so that was 6 years ago. So yeah, I'm just, babes, one thing at a time. So yeah, so that's a big thing out the way, thank God. But yeah, so I am cleaning. So now that that's done, the other major thing that I'm about to do to the house is going to be get the house pressure washed. And to call the guy who did my house last time. So I'll call him and then clean. But the cleaning portion, I'm not gonna do that until like I'm done painting and yeah, once I'm done painting. So that'll be like the last thing that I do, because I know that won't take long to do. I mean, it will, but not too long. Let me show y'all my progress on what I've done for the fridge. So I've ended up taking everything out of the fridge so I can give it a nice clean. The only thing I haven't cleaned is like the bottom half here. So just give me some time. Like this side is so much cleaner. I don't know if y'all can see because of the glare, but like it looks so much better than what it did. That was a task. Okay, she's done, y'all. I'm so happy and proud of myself because, whew, yes, that was interesting. Look at her looking all nice and clean. I love that for me, y'all. All right, so this is one less thing I have to worry about cleaning. But I probably, of course, that was just a fridge. And that took me damn near all day to do. I might be done for today. My hands are getting a little wrinkly. I think today was pretty productive. Yes, I know I gotta clean the floors, but I think I'll take some pictures upstairs. All right, y'all. So I think I'm gonna close day 4 out here. We had the carpets cleaned upstairs and I cleaned the refrigerator out completely. The freezer, I gotta come back because I gotta figure out how to take that out. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to day 4 of Operation Move Out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all the next one. Bye.